I think it's going. Miss Mireya, you're done. How do you feel about that?
Oh my God, I'm so excited. Super excited, a little bit nervous, but mostly excited.
I'm excited for you. Do not be nervous. Like, you did everything. You did the checklist. What was the hard? Well, first, tell the people about your brand. What do you plan on? What's your niche, and what's your brand name?
So my niche is more of family trips, group trips too, like big families to bond. My company name is Wishing for Soul Travel. So it's just, we're wishing for soul again in whatever your paradise is. But that's what I want to focus on, family travel.
I love it. Okay, so with your checklist, I know it's not easy for everybody, but I think that you did a very good job. What was the hardest part about your pre-orientation checklist? And then, for people that don't know, the pre-orientation checklist is kind of like, steps to, finish. Once you finish that, you know what you're doing. You're set up as a travel agent. You know how to process payments as a travel agent. You know how to put together proposals. You know how to do everything that you're supposed to. So, Ms. Mireya, what was the hardest part about the checklist, and what was the easiest part about the checklist?
I want to start with the easiest, so it makes it fun. The easiest part was the videos that you have put out. The videos are very, very helpful, and they're always going to be there, which is great. And I just always go back to them and review them before my trainings, just to make sure everything's okay. But that was the easiest part. Just the videos are very, very helpful. I guess the hardest part is just, it's just not being that familiar doing these steps. Like anything that's, not, anything that's new, it's a little bit scary, but practice makes perfect. And I think that's what, that was the scariest part, just, getting in there, doing it the first time, and then more practice.
Well, Ms. Marie, I think that you did a very good job. Your proposals look absolutely amazing. And like I always tell any of my agents that are actually done with the checklist, I feel comfortable sending the client to you because you know exactly how to do, to do everything. You know how I would do it. Like, that checklist is literally how I do everything. I don't deviate from anything that's on that checklist. So I totally feel comfortable sending my clients to you. Like, I'm super, super proud of you. I know this has been a little, maybe a little bit long journey, but you did so well. Whether it's between me jumping on Zoom and, checking off on your checklist, or one of the trainers, you did so well. And I'm super, super proud of you. What are you excited for next?
I'm excited to start putting trips together and help my clients, get their trips billed, and them not having to worry about, like, what are we going to be doing, or where's this document that I need? Where's my reference number? It's just being there for them. Here's everything you need. Our great tool that we have is Travel Joy, which now they have an app. So that information can also be on their phone, which is excellent. So it's just an added bonus to helping our clients.
Yep, you're absolutely right, Ms. Murray. Like I said before, I'm proud of you. I don't think that there's anything that you can't do. Remember, if you need access to any supplier, if you need anything, even if you need help putting together a trip, like, you're all done with your checklist. Like, we'll help with just about anything that you need help with. Book a 30-minute session, and listen, you can book as many 30-minute sessions as you need to get you on the right track with whatever it is that you need help with when it comes to your travel business. So, like I said before, I'm super proud of you. I think that you're going to do amazing things. And you've got to remember, I'm always a quick phone call, text message, Zoom away. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you, Tyra, so much.
Thank you so much, Maria. And thank you so much for choosing Travelpreneur Dreams and Mommy and We Travel.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.